nothing wrong with you.
We out here. Throw up a gang sign. Come on, do it. Throw up a gang sign. Yeah, we're Thug. Thug Mansion. Yep, and that's my intro. Welcome back. Bye, my little man. Aw, he's so sad that we're leaving. Aw, give me kisses. Give me a kiss. Thank you for the little kissy. Thank you. Give him a kiss. Make sure he knows that you love him. This is the saddest part of the day. Every single day. This is the saddest. Why you gotta be sad when we leave, Marsh? What's poppin', YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. Apple, come here. I got you. You know what I'm saying? I gotta show him something. Let's see. Put your head down for a second. She got a ball on her head. She goes ahead. Now, welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new, I am Jake Dufner, and it is a vlogging channel. If you can do me a huge favor, hit that sub button and hit the like button and share it with all your friends and all that good stuff. But we're going to do something really dope today. We actually had this planned for a very long time, and I never got around to doing it just because of the fact that, like, you know, whatever, I can make all the excuses in the world. But we're going to pick up some good old friends, and we're gonna head over and explore an abandoned pig farm. Pig slaughterhouse, pig farm type thing. What is it?
I don't know.
It's like a pig farm, right? It's something weird. There's like a huge, like, what's it called? A cattle? A big
Slaughterhouse?
No. It's like a big where like horses and pigs stay. Long. It's like a long like barn. No, it's not a barn though. It's like the thing on the side of the barn.
I don't know.
If you know what you know what I'm talking about though, right? You guys know what I'm talking about. If you know what I'm trying to talk about, let me know in the comments. But it's got a whole bunch of stuff, and I checked it out during the day, and just briefly, I just like briefly like looked out like over it, and it looked really awesome. So I always made plans. I want to go back. And Adamir always wanted to come with me. So we're about to go get Adamir, and we're about to get it done. So yeah, hit one of them's for the boys. You know how it goes.
Explosives that'll strike any moment, hit it right at opponents, and I'm the fucking pilot that flown it. I'm about to smash into everyone, crash into everything back, and I've just begun.
Okay, I'm not allowed to play that because I'll get copyrighted right away, especially because it's Eminem, because it gets copyrighted in 0.01 seconds. But happy birthday, my boy, shit. Happy birthday, my boy Shady. The greatest to ever live, the greatest to ever put a pen to a piece of paper. It's his birthday today, so I fucking love him. Oh, I'm not allowed to curse. I fudging love him, and yeah, just had to put that in the vlog because the greatest to ever do it, and it's his birthday, and I'm pumped about it. So you know we always bumping it every day, regardless, but today especially. So that's that. We have arrived, and it is a lot more brick than I thought outside because my nipples are really hard right now. It's super cold out, but this place is actually huge. Everybody's all ahead of me right now. I'm trying to catch up. Yo, wait up, guys. Wait for me. Come on, man. You're leaving me in the dust. The whole gang is here. Wait, I gotta see your head, bro, for the camera. Oh my God, you look like an egg. Oh my God, you're a walking egg.
It looks so different.
Dude, I love it though. That's fire. I like how you just woke up one day and you're like, you know what? I'm shaving my head.
Gotta change it sometimes.
Yeah, I feel that. Apple, come on over here. Which one should we go in first? There's a building right there behind you.
No, that has to be the last.
There's that one right there.
Let's go in.
And then there's this big. This is the one that's gonna be the most creepy right here.
So should we say that one for last?
No, I said that one first.
Let's go in this one.
No, let's go in this one.
Why?
Because this one's the scariest.
Oh, whatever.
Let's do it. Man. Watch, we're gonna go in there. There's gonna be a lion. A lion's den. Oh, there's an upstairs too.
Go.
We're gonna go upstairs first?
Yeah.
No, let's go downstairs first. No, let's go downstairs. Okay, up first? No one listens to me. Dude, this place is dope.
It's creepy.
What? Is that a workbench?
Oh, what? I thought it was like, it would have been longer.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be the whole top.
There's more over here.
Oh, there's more. There's a hole in the ceiling right there. What is it? Oh, what the hell? The floor is slanted.
It's mad weird. Oh.
Alright, well, I guess back. Oh, there's a door right there to nothing. You just walk out and fall to your death. That's fire. Yeah, you want to turn the lights on for us?
Yeah, that's good.
You explode. That'd be fire clickbait. Adamir explodes. Oh, yeah, actually, it might not be sturdy because this looks like a fall. There's a basement?
What?
No way. There's a basement. How the hell did we get down there?
Jump through this.
Yeah, just jump. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Voila! To the other. Oh my god! You just scared the booty out of me. Oh my god. Jeez. Alright, we're all gonna scare the girls. Ready? We're all gonna scare them. They're hiding over there. Let's hide them over here. Ready? We're all gonna scare the girls. Oh, what the hell just hit my head? I thought you were closer. I was trying to give you a heart attack. Adamir's doing the dirty work.
Careful, there's
Open
nails
up.
in
Oh, there's nails in that.
Oh, there's a basement, bro.
It's upcast. Oh god. Okay, yeah, that's probably not safe to step on. There's nothing under that.
It really isn't.
There's literally nothing. It's just that, and I almost just fell through. So that's cool. So be very careful. Oh, there's no steps.
Let me see.
There's only 3 steps, then you die.
Yeah, fuck that.
Should we die? Should we just jump down there now? Head first? Yeah. Maybe another time for that one. Yeah, there's a big, like warehouse thing. I don't know what it is, but it's big. So I'm gonna go in it. That is what she said. Oh, what the hell? Hello? Look, there's a door to nowhere again. What happens if you're up there? Oh, that's where that door was. Okay, that's the same door actually. What the hell is that? Hey, you making noise over there? It's scaring the crap out of me. Alright, there's absolutely nothing in here. Big ass garage door. In case you want to bring in your private jet, you know what I'm saying? What the hell? Oh, that was you. Bro, you guys gotta stop scaring me, bro. That door opening. That just literally scared the Jesus out of me. It just goes. It just goes forever. I told you it's a long ass thing. Well, yo, what is this thing called? Do you know?
I have no idea.
It's a thing where like the horses stay. A
Stable?
a stable. That's it. I was looking for that word the whole time. The intro. I was there for like 20 minutes trying to figure out that word. It's a stable. Yes. This is definitely what that is. A horse stable, right? Has to be. It's longer than my pee-pee, which is hard to do. Yeah. I know. Dude, someone can easily come in right now and destroy us. And we would all be dead. It'd be like a horror story. Ooh. Special effects.
Well, how do you do that? I didn't even know you could do that.
Special effects, man.
What?
Ready? Watch. Who there? Hi there. Boom. It's kind of scary. If you do it, I will give you a high five. So go ahead and do it. Look at just on ease. I don't know how. With a bald head, yo, extra points, bro. You win. Wow, that was crazy. I wish I could still do that, but I'd probably break my forehead. Oh, high five. Yo, peep this image I'm capturing right now. Look at all those things hanging down right now. It's so overgrown. This is scary. I feel like you can't see into the darkness. Dude, I feel like Michael Myers is just gonna come stand in that doorway right now and eat my ass. One.
Yeah, which one's next? That one? Yeah, that's it.
Alright, we got 2 more to explore. This one, which seems bigger than that one, right? Or which one's bigger?
Probably this one.
That one, yeah. That one's like the small one. I feel like that's where they lived, right there. And then that's like, I don't know, I guess we're gonna find out. Am I going first? Do I go first?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going first. Oh, I'm not going first, there's no going first. Ow, ow!
Do not sit on that.
That just stabbed the
No,
crap out of my leg.
So many bugs. Oh no.
You're gonna turn into Spider-Man sitting on that couch.
Dude, that thing's actually comfy.
Because that's actually comfy. He's gonna take it home. What? Logan Paul? Yeah. No way, where?
Where you do that? Yeah, there's 3, Jake. Where? Alright, watch out. We gotta get out.
Yeah, Logan Paul who? Ow!
Watch out, yo.
No?
Aiden, watch out.
I'm scared. There's glass flying everywhere. Why you gotta throw it so hard? What are you in the
That
MLB? Jesus. Trying to throw a strike?
Strike.
Is there a way to get in here though? Yo, look at the moon. Can the camera see that or not?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Damn, that's a crazy moon. Drop a like for that moon up there. You can stop recording now. Oh, look at me, going last again. Back here for a Tyrannosaurus Rex to come and eat me. All by my... Jeez, that creaks. Why are you creaking, jerk? Stop creaking at me. Whoa. Oh, you're holding it, that's why. I was wondering why it was creaking.
I wasn't holding it.
You weren't holding it?
No, I pushed it back. Right.
Get in there.
Dude, this is...
Yo, what do we... This is like... Come on, man. I'm missing...
It's a slaughterhouse, bro.
Get out of my way.
This right here was definitely a freezer.
Oh, what? Oh, I want to see it. Oh, yeah, you can go first, I guess. I'll just stay back here for the boogeyman to get me. No big deal. I'll be last. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. It looks like they're renovating it, kind of. Or they were trying to, at least.
No, I don't think this was...
Look at all that gas. Is that gas? Whatever. Yo, no sudden movements, man.
What?
There's some crazy liquid coming over there. Don't move any suddenly. It's scary and stuff. Because it's 3 a.m.
Huh?
No, oh, never mind. It stopped. The liquid stopped. Oh, there it is. Oh my god. Come on, man. Oh. Very spooky. Oh, wow. Okay. You can stop now. Oh, God. Very spooky. I'm proud of you. Halloweeny of you. Very Halloweeny of you. Yo, a bouncing spider.
Yeah, come on.
I'm not even joking. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's a bouncing spider. Oh, I'm scared. Okay, I'm gonna leave that guy alone.
It's all
What?
papers.
What? Paper?
Is that paper? I don't know.
Did you just hear a cow?
I heard that too.
You heard that, right? Oh, it's Aiden. Oh, what the hell? Wait, did you notice him?
No.
Oh,
No, I thought it was over there.
yeah, I heard it. Wait, the second time it was you?
That time was me, yeah.
Oh, I heard him move.
Because you said something, no.
The first time I heard it over
It
there.
sounded like it was down there.
Hello?
Door opening, like creaking.
Is it like a creak or a moo or like a crackle?
I don't come back.
All right, Adamir, let us know if you come back or if you die. Wait, what? Everybody's gone? Oh, come on, man.
Why would you turn the light off? Give me that.
Oh, my bad. I took the light off and it's over there. My bad. There is she definitely heard it. There's a predicament going on. Shh, shh, shh. Stop moving, stop moving. Shh. I told you, someone's here, bro.
Who's here? I'll fuck you up.
Oh, whoa, calm down. Family friendly, man. Come on.
Hello?
Yo. What?
Stop, dude. I'm so scared.
Hello?
Hello?
We're not here to hurt anybody.
Unless you want me to hurt you.
Unless you want us to hurt you, yeah.
Wait, shh, shh, shh. Shh.
Oh my...
All right, yeah.
Guys, we have 5 of us here. Come on.
Stop. I'm literally...
Ash is destroying my... You're gonna crack my rib cage.
I want to go home.
Yeah, I want... We could go home. We could go home. I'm down. I'm trying to enjoy my Halloween.
Hello.
Oh shit! I just fell in that hole.
No, stop shushing.
We need to hear where he is. We don't want him coming from behind us.
Guys, piece of fucking wood.
Get that brick.
Yeah, get that wood. Yo, Apple, get that. Oh, never
My
mind.
heart is literally.
Let's go.
Yo, thank God we got a Brazilian nice and strong like Adamir. Or we'd all be dead. Adamir's my superhero. I'm gonna just keep checking behind me. Yo, what was that creaking though? There's literally no door that can creak.
Be quiet. Let's see if we can hear anything.
There's no door that can creak.
No, I don't want to do this.
You guys can go. I want to
I'm
wait.
going by myself.
Can we please just leave?
I'm literally shaking.
I want to hear something again. Exactly.
We need to hear where he is. Shh, shh, shh.
Wait. Does anybody here make a noise?
No, let's just leave.
You have a rake?
It's not a rig. What is it?
Where the hell did you get that? Yo, Adamir's playing no games. Yo, this place is dumb. He either has a person in it or is haunted. I don't want to be last. I'm gonna. Oh, get out of my face.
It definitely came from over here because I heard the door, right? Wait. Bro, it wasn't broken when we came through. It wasn't.
Okay, stop.
Let's leave.
That wasn't.
You guys are-
No, that was not open like that.
let's
That was
go.
not open when we came
Can
here.
we please go? I don't want to.
That was not open like that.
Just go.
Jesus. We're gonna die.
You should have brought the Ouija. Guys.
I know, I should have brought the Ouija board. That'd be fire.
No, I don't think it was this. It was more of like.
That was definitely not the noise. Watch out.
I really want him to smell like.
Yeah, bro, it stinks in
I
here.
smell dead animals. Oh my god.
Yeah, oh, it does smell really bad actually. Out of nowhere. Oh, what the hell? It does smell terrible. Oh, it's like rotten eggs.
That smells like straight up. That's probably like dead bodies.
Dead bodies? Don't say that. Why do I gotta be last? Oh. What? What? Is it open? Yo, this place is crazy. I'm so happy we came.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's so.
No. Please.
It opened?
What? It smells like ass in there.
What?
But like, if you gotta wash your hands, go ahead.
Anyone in here? Oh, it does smell terrible in here.
I'm not going in there. Fuck that.
Can we
It smells like a
please
retirement
not?
home. Is that something written?
That's him.
Yeah.
Please
I
tell
just
me
threw
that
the
was
fork. Yeah.
Come on.
Can we please go?
Why'd you take that? We need that fork.
Did it? Is that another fork?
Yeah.
What is that?
Yo, we should get that and go first.
No.
What do you mean? We're gonna fight bare hands?
There's
Hello?
There's a knife right on the table.
Okay.
Hey, give me that.
Yeah, there's utensils here, so if someone's here, they definitely have a knife or something, so we should probably just not go in there. Unless you want to go first.
It was written on the wall.
There's something written there?
I'm scared.
Alright. I got your back. I got your back. Keep going. Shh.
There is actually creaking. I just heard creaking from like right there.
Oh my god.
Yo, let's go in the other house.
Shh. We gotta see what's in here first. Oh, God. Family friendly. Come on, man.
Guys,
Yeah, someone's living here. There's a knife on the ground again.
2 fucking knives.
What
now
the
let's
fuck?
fucking
There's a
get
knife
it.
in the wall.
Let's fucking get it.
What?
Somebody's a fucking pervert. Look at this.
Yo, shh, stop. Stop. Shh. Look at how creepy this is.
There's a knife in the wall.
There's a knife in the wall. Oh my God. Dude, this is some creepy
Yeah, let's
stuff.
see if we can hear something in here. You want to?
What?
Like, just be quiet real quick.
Shh.
Like,
Shh. It looks like someone escaped out of that window. This looks like literally if someone was a psychopath.
yeah.
They'd be in here stabbing the wall. Yo, there's a cross
No way.
on the wall.
Oh yeah, there is.
Shot.
Yeah.
Bro, wait.
So weird.
There's a
Can we
knife in the
please
wall.
leave?
Dude, somebody must have like.
Someone lives here.
themselves in here.
Someone's going crazy in here or killing themselves in here or something.
I'm out.
What is that noise?
Wait, shh.
It's that. Every
Okay.
time we walk.
Okay, good. Yo, that room right there is nuts. I love it. That's crazy. There's you didn't see it? There's a knife in the wall. Go look at it.
There's a knife on
It's
the
literally a
wall.
knife stabbed in the
I
wall.
love it.
Right next to the cross, underneath the cross.
Stuck in the wall.
Yeah, it's weird, right?
Hello.
Shh, shh. Oh my God, Aiden, you're scaring us.
What the fuck was that?
That was Adamir now. All right, let's just get out of here. This is getting wild. More wilder than I thought.
Dude, I kind of want to hear more shit though.
Yeah, wait, what?
We'll come back. Yo, let's come back with like the Ouija board and stuff. Another time.
Hell yeah.
Me without the girls, because they'll probably
I'll say it.
die. Yeah, they're staying. Yo, me, Aiden, and Adamir. You guys down? Come back with a Ouija board?
I'm down, yeah.
All right, tomorrow. Let's do it.
Word.
Down? Let's do it. Yo, it's gonna be crazy. It's literally gonna be the craziest Ouija board session I've ever done in my life. Yo, we gotta do it in like everything. I wanna do it in there. I wanna do it in that room with the knife. Everyone. I'm excited. All right, let's go. Let's get out of here.
On the window.
Knock on the window. Knock on the window.
They'll hear it better. You're not gonna hear silence.
Knock on the window. All right, this is the last house right here, guys. That was the crazy one right there. That we went in with the knife in it. That's the stable. And then, look, there's like chairs and stuff over there. Windows broken in this one. There's a cellar, dude. Yeah, there's a cellar over there. A little bit.
That's where we should play tomorrow.
That's where we should be messing around with. Oh my God, you keep scaring me, bro.
I'm trying to
Those
get
sudden movements. The windows are broken and stuff.
Give me the light.
Okay.
What the fuck is that? Get the fire extinguisher. It's locked.
Well, hold on, you can open this. Watch out.
No, I just want to see.
I want to open that. There's not. Yo, I want to open the cellar.
Hello.
Police! Alright, dude. Let me see the
Dude,
flashlight.
there's a fucking door just opened. Come here.
No.
Come here. Yeah.
No.
It
The
just
door all
opened.
the way over there just opened.
Okay, I'm scared.
No way.
I'm not joking.
Stop.
You guys want to go in there?
This might be the most haunted place I've ever been to in my life. I'm not even saying that for the video. This is actually unbelievable. Okay.
Hello.
Let's do it.
I'm trying to
Let's
make
come back. Let's come back tomorrow. Do you have work tomorrow?
No, I don't.
Alright, Adam, we're coming back tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll come back.
Alright. We gotta come here tomorrow. Let's do it.
Dude, give me that weight. I want to see in the basement.
What was that?
Yo, something just knocked in the basement.
Can we please go?
Oh my god. There's a fucking.
Oh, there's a door.
That's like shit you see in horror movies.
Hell
The
yeah.
killer's basement.
Go in there.
Texas Chainsaw Massacre is gonna come out.
That's fucking
I don't
weird.
want to go down there.
Dude, let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Let's get it. We
Here we
can
go.
do this. We can do this. Come on.